We're super excited for the introduction of Hero of the Seas.
You've got 4 icon ships with the introduction of Hero of the Seas. And so we're leaning into those things that our guests loved and delivering more of it.
Hero really marks the beginning of the next phase of the icon class, so we've made quite a few meaningful changes. Evolution on Hero really is adding in more water because we know our guests love the open decks as we have them today, but we always want to push the boundary to see what else can we do. So we're adding another pool by the lime and coconut. The hideaway will almost double in water. We've extended the deck there. We're adding a swim-up bar.
Category 6 water park will feature new slides for our guests to experience in Thrill Island. We're always looking for opportunities to innovate, evolve, and bring something new to our guests.
Our guests are so happy with this water park. The only thing they told us is they wish they were there longer. So we've switched out some of our raft slides to make sure that the time that guests are on the ride is now longer and is even more thrilling.
We're going to bring to life a brand new supper club in the series of supper clubs that Icon Class has.
On Hero, our supper club will go to the best of New Orleans, bringing guests back in time, but starting them truly in New Orleans style on a porch, making them feel like they're fully in a different world while they're there.
We're really tipping our cap to kind of traditional cocktails that were invented in New Orleans, and then putting our own little twist on them.
The Aquadome Market is going to be one of the most spectacular spaces on board.
So we will always debut with 5 really well-tested concepts, but we're also going to design the stalls to no longer be so specific to a cuisine so that we can start to bring in different ideas and test it with guests as time goes on.
As we've seen on our Icon Class of ships, we have brought together more choices, more variety, more selection. But what's really special is all the new and exciting things we're bringing to life for our guests, along with some of the traditional favorites that came to life on the Icon Class.
We are debuting our first ever Ultimate Family Treehouse, which expands our Ultimate Family collection.
It is a 3-story ultimate family living space with great spaces to hang out, great spaces to watch movies, gorgeous views of the ocean. And so designed for families with younger kids, but really meant to be the ultimate family hangout.
The whole product is just the best of Royal Caribbean and the Icon Class.
The immense pride that everybody takes in seeing Icon, Star, Legend. We all know that we want to keep feeling like this and really give guests this experience that they couldn't get anywhere else.